Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. Comes with full private label rights. Do you want to take your website and business to the next level with WordPress? Here you go. Grab the stupendous Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit HD video training course to create beautifully designed and aesthetically pleasing WordPress sites without any coding or tech skills. You can see an introduction video here. Click the link in description below and check it out. Not only this, lot more to come. Before that, see video till end. Very few things have disrupted the digital marketing scene as greatly as WordPress has in the last decade. WordPress is the best known and most widely used content management system for creating websites. It was founded in 2003 and has since found millions of users and fans along the way. Thanks to the platform's free and simple content management system, it made it possible for anyone, regardless of levels of technical knowledge, to create impressive websites. This possibility is boosted further by the seemingly endless library of themes and plugins. That's why, when it comes to the most downloaded software in the world, WordPress is right there at the top. To put it further into perspective, let's take a look at some stats. How WordPress is important for web. Over 41.7 million posts are posted every month in WordPress. More than all on an average. A WordPress developer paid $53. So after this mastery, you also going to earn this amount. Inverse less and earn more. Haha. People around the world are making a living through WordPress, and there are a lot of opportunities for developers to help businesses build sites with pleasing design and high functionality. The possibility boosted even further during this COVID-19 pandemic crisis. As the coronavirus circles the world, it is impacting the WordPress industry overall. The web development industry boomed, as well as the e-commerce industry. Businesses that stayed alive needed cheaper ways to communicate and turned to websites, and many people who lost their jobs started their own companies. Many of those people needed online stores. Providing it, WordPress specialists have a unique opportunity to help these traditional brick-and-mortar businesses prepare themselves for the online world during this crisis. There are still so many small business owners that do not have a functional website or the means to set one up. The power of WordPress is the flexibility it offers through third-party plugins and themes to quickly get something online that can actually help an owner's bottom line right now. And business owners are ready to pay for it. Web developers are charging anywhere between $5 to $5,000 for a fully functional WordPress site that generates great results. This is the only way they can keep their business afloat, and a golden opportunity for you to create result-oriented sites for them and get paid handsomely. But the problem is, you don't know how to use WordPress. Although there's no need to have coding knowledge while creating your own website with WordPress, it's a little bit intimidating to operate if you are not tech-savvy. With all its themes, plugins, and add-ons, it can be a little bit overwhelming to understand how the platform works and how you can leverage its full potential to get optimum results. Well, we have put together all the resources you need to get started with WordPress quickly and easily. Just grab our comprehensive, step-by-step Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit HD video training course. This course will explain everything you need to know about WordPress and website creation. From how to install WordPress, customize site settings, to post and page editors, block WordPress Editor and Gutenberg WordPress Editor. We have included every single thing. Use this course to create stunning websites using WordPress and strengthen your brand online. Introducing Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. Module number 1, Step-by-Step Training Videos.
20 chapters. Value, $1,795. You'll get 20 chapters of step-by-step training videos that will show you exactly how to make WordPress work for you to create engaging, attractive, and professional-looking websites without having a lick of coding knowledge. Everything is screen-recorded and well explained. We have covered several initial processes to get you going. Inside you'll get "And here you go" will lots of demo videos for video lectures. You can get idea how this course will be, so click the link below and make use of it. Module 1. Chapter 1, WordPress Introduction. Chapter 2, Where to install WordPress. Chapter 3, Install WordPress on your local computer. Chapter 4, Install WordPress manually on cPanel. Chapter 5, Install WordPress using Softaculous. Chapter 6, WordPress Dashboard Overview. Chapter 7, Clearing out WordPress dummy content. Chapter 8, Post and Page Editors. Chapter 9, Classic WordPress Editor. Chapter 10, the Block WordPress Editor. Chapter 11, the Gutenberg WordPress Editor Templates. Chapter 12, the Anatomy of Block. Chapter 13, Playing with Columns. Chapter 14, How to add blocks to build a post. Chapter 15, How to add images. Chapter 16, Finding more blocks. Chapter 17, Reusable blocks. Chapter 18, WordPress site settings. Chapter 19, General settings. Chapter 20, Writing settings. Module number 2, Premier Training Guide on Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit. Value $1,295. This guide will walk you through every step and information you need to set up your own WordPress site, securely and efficiently. We have included everything you need to know about WordPress and its advanced features to let it work for you. Written by professionals, here's what we are going to provide in this massive info-packed Premier Training Guide. It is an essential asset for any website or business owner. WordPress can get really confusing sometimes. But it's all sorted out for you. All you need to do is simply use these video tutorials and information provided in the training guide to take your business to unprecedented heights. Don't delay. Just grab the deal. Click on the buy button and grab your copy now. And there's still more to come. In addition, we are providing bonuses! Exclamation mark. If you buy today, you get free access to 3 remarkable bonuses. Bonus 1, Cheat Sheet. Value $30. This cheat sheet is a practical tool that will guide you with easy to follow steps of the whole training. Each and every aspect of training is broken down into easy and executable steps that will help you master the process and keep entire training at your fingertips. It makes the entire package more lucrative. Bonus 2, Mind Map. Value $20. Mind maps will be a broad outline of the entire training program. With this handy tool, you will have a comprehensive understanding of the complete training and will absorb the contents easily. Module number 3, Top Resource Report. Value $30. This is a comprehensive research report on using WordPress. It includes videos, tools, training courses, forums, affiliate programs, infographics, facts, and case studies. So, are you ready to get started? This really is a golden content. And deserves a heavy price. But, the objective is to enable every entrepreneur and small business owner to arm them with the expert knowledge it takes to stand up to the big guys. So, we decided to offer it to you at a very heavy discount, but only for the next few days. Grab the opportunity with special discounts now. So there you have it. WordPress has come a long way from being a basic blogging tool to a global platform endorsed by the biggest brands and the most popular celebrities. Its features are particularly useful for small businesses as it allows them to put up attractive and high-functioning websites without the need for a big budget or an expert developer. And it works seamlessly for big websites as well. We've covered a lot and we want to make sure you walk away with something tangible. You've got no excuses not to get started now. All that's left for you to do is to execute. The world is yours for the taking, and we truly hope you take action after you read this. Download our Advanced WordPress Mastery Kit HD video training course today. To your unlimited prosperity. Apart from this, you are going to get 5,000 plus WordPress themes plus plugin completely free. To know how to get this, check description and grab a cheap and best price. Thank you.